Monday the 17th of March 2014, our ensuite bathroom is being redone. So this is the view of what it was like. Not a very pretty shower. Well, this is the first day and the guys have been here and they've stripped the tiles and everything in the room. Quite funny to see the bathroom like this. Does that indicate there's some water leakage under the wall or through the wall down there? Yes, where everything went from the bathroom into the bin. The plumber's bin. There's the tap for the shower underneath the window, leading up to the shower head on the wall. There's the shower, the toilet with the taps to the wash basin. The glass block windows have gone in. The inside view. The security alarm has been put up into the ceiling out of the way. Electrician has been and put in a point where we're going to have the power. The hardware and the cabinets have arrived. The tiles are there ready for putting on the wall. It's Friday and the walls have been rendered. The floor has been concreted too. The waterproofing is done and the floor has now been screeded and the cabinet fitted. The tiling continues. Now a bit of waterproofing under the shower floor itself. Go for it.
You ready? That's it.
Beautiful.
That's it.
At last. Finished. Being used. Isn't it gorgeous?